Good morning, everybody. What we're going to do right now is we're going to talk a little bit about 7.12 A and B, which the learning target is I can analyze the supply and demand impact on Texas industries. So we're talking about economics. We're going to go with PEGS economics. And the big thing here is supply and demand. What it is technically, if everything works the way it's supposed to, demand falls and supply rises. So less people want to buy it. So now you've got a larger amount of inventory and you can't get rid of it. So to get rid of it, you drop the price. And the same is true where if you got a limited supply and there's a big demand for it, they can raise the prices. We see this a lot with tickets, like when people are scalping tickets to the Super Bowl and that sort of thing, because there's a lot more people that want to buy it than there are tickets. Okay, so that's supply and demand. So what you got to do in this is first thing here is you got a video and you'll answer the questions right here. What is supply? What is demand? What effect? Let me fix this right now while I have the opportunity. What effect? What effect? I'll just put, how does, you can kind of look at the graphic. Supply and demand affect prices. Okay, so that can, you can kind of, let me get rid of myself here real quick. So you can also look at that graphic that I went over on the first one. That'll kind of tell you. Then we've got this. Texas produces half the nation's cotton, and so the two big industries are cotton and cattle. Then we've got this Texas commodities, different things that they sell, and then you just use this chart to answer these questions. And finally, here are cotton prices. So here's the prices in 2016 all the way up to 2021. They kind of fluctuate, but these are the average price for the year. And so you just answer the questions on here, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Here it's 84 cents. I think it's a pound is what this is. 84 cents a pound, 64 cents. So as you can see, it goes from 65 to 73 to 82. And so these are just 67.37. If this was actual money, this would be 84 cents. We'd round 64 cents, 67 cents, 82 cents, 73 cents, and 65. So how did the price change between 2020 and 2021? So here's how it started. It was 64 cents a pound. Then it was 84 cents. So how did it change? Okay, from 20 to 21. So you start with 2020, look at what the price was, and then tell me how it changed. Based on supply and demand, why do you think 2020 was the lowest price for cotton? Okay, now remember what happened in 2020 that was going to affect demand. And then which year was the best for cotton producers and why? So if you're producing cotton, do you want a high price or a low price? And then you decide. Now, if you're a customer, it's something different. So that's pretty much all we've got. Just take care of that, submit it, and you should be all right.